it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to show you guys the DIYs that I made in today's video. You should have seen the way that you bloom. I bought some trays at Target from the dollar section, like right in front when you walk into like the store and everything. It's like right there. I got 2 trays, super cute, very simple. You can use it as is, or you can like do what I did and spice it up a little bit and make it fit your style. And I also have some popsicle sticks from the Dollar Tree that I bought a while ago, and it's been sitting there for months now. You need to do something with it because now it's just sitting there collecting dust. So I hope that you guys are ready. So let's go ahead and get started with the first DIY. Let's go. I started off by picking out the colors that I wanted for this terrazzo tray, and I got these 2 from Target, and they were only $1, so you know that I had to grab them because they're just super adorable and affordable. And this is the photo that I used for my inspiration for this terrazzo tray, just laying out all my colors. Wanted to mix it to be a little bit more pastel and to fit the theme a little bit more. These aren't the typical colors that I usually go for, but I'm so happy with how the colors came out, and I'm just painting that directly onto the tray. And for us to achieve the, terrazzo look, you want to start painting in different type of shapes, triangles or like rectangular funky looking shapes. Terrazzo design isn't meant to look like perfect circles or perfect squares. So what the definition of terrazzo is a composite material poured in place, which is used for floor and wall treatments. It consists of chips of marble, quartz, granite, glass, or other suitable material, and then it's poured in with a cement binder or a combination of polymeric, and that's how they achieve the design for the terrazzo. So don't worry about making it perfect or anything. I just started painting it and put on a TV show actually, and just painted away, and it was very therapeutical. For the second tray, I did something very similar. I used the same colors, but this time I painted the whole entire tray a off-white color, and then I went in with the other colors after it dried. I wanted it to be a little bit different, but not too different where it didn't match each other, but it turned out both really cute anyways. I also forgot to mention that I did paint the sides of the trays too, just so it looks like it's all inclusive and not just the inside of the tray. I think I saw your face in the moon. I promise I'll be with you as soon as I find a way up. I loved how these 2 turned out really cute and so simple. All I did was just paint them, and it looks like this. Jimmy was just like,
it would be so cool if you made it with clay.
I mean, I'm so happy that he has like the confidence in me to like be able to create something like this perfect with clay. Has he seen my other videos? Yeah, it was a disaster. But anyways, let's go ahead and go on to the second DIY. Let's go. Like I said in the beginning of this video, I had a bunch of popsicle sticks laying around that has been sitting there for months. I really didn't know what to do with these popsicle sticks that wouldn't make it look too corny. So I actually found an inspiration on Pinterest of someone doing like this hexagon type shelving, and I thought it looked super cute. And you know what? I need to get rid of these popsicle sticks sooner or later. So I'm really glad that I found that design and recreating it. So what you saw me do was just draw out my hexagon, and then I removed 3 of the popsicle sticks because that's going to be our bottom layer, and then we're now gluing on our top layer. Per usual, I probably did a really bad job explaining that, but thankfully we have this visual where you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. Hopefully you guys are able to follow along with what I just did. Now we're gonna go ahead and glue on our 3rd layer. So you're gluing on top of the popsicle sticks that you started off with, okay? After that, you're gonna glue every other side of the hexagon. I hope that makes sense. And you're just gonna keep doing that layer by layer by layer. this is how my shelving is currently looking like so far, and in total I used about 96 popsicle sticks to achieve this look, but it's totally up to you on how thick or how wide you want your hexagon shelf to be. Totally up to you. Ta-da! So that's what it looks like after I glued on all the popsicle sticks. I have about 14 layers. If you wanted to use it as reference. And now I'm just sanding down the sides with this sandpaper that I got from the Dollar Tree. I didn't do the best job with gluing down the popsicle sticks so they're all even and straight. So if you guys did that, then you definitely don't have to sand it down like I am. But of course, it's me and my DIYs are just never perfect. So that's why I'm going in and trying to perfect it as much as I can. After I was done with sanding everything down, I'm taking this aged glaze spray that I used in one of my previous DIYs when I made my TV stand, and I'm taking a piece of napkin and just spraying that glaze into the napkin and then rubbing that onto my shelving so it creates this aged look. So this is the end results after I put on the aged glaze. I'm going to set that aside and grab some wooden beads from my previous DIYs. I didn't like how the holes were showing in front of the shelving, so that's why I wanted to actually just glue on the side where you don't see the hole and sanding that down so it sticks onto the shelving better.
I saw your face in the moon. I promise I'll be with you as soon as I find a way.
Oh my god, look how freaking adorable that is. I normally don't wear that many jewelry, but if I did, like these items, I always just throw it in a drawer and it get all tangled up and everything. But look, I have a spot for it now and it looks so adorable. It's made out of popsicle sticks. Like, that's insane to me. At first I thought it was gonna look kind of corny because, you know, popsicle sticks, I worked with it back in like when middle school and it didn't turn out really cute. Well, that's all that I have for you today. I hope that you liked the DIYs in today's video. If you guys plan to recreate something, let me know. I would love to see your project. Leave me a comment down below or hit me up on Instagram. Make sure to give me a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!